Hmm?
Okay, so I'm going to use that.
Everything is ready.
Just see the beams there. Just for them to place them.
All the precast is the slab ready.
Slabs.
Anything is sold, everything is ready. And then the
Emmanuel, enter. No enter. No, go like this. And I turn around.
We're in Abua. It's about, from here to the other side is a 240 meters bridge that leads to Agba Ndele. So you know what it means if this project is completed. Abua doesn't need to pass through the Ahoda axis. They just, from here, they're in Emohua. From Emohua, they're already in the city, in the heart of the city. So we're going to complete it. You know, this is not part of our 100 days project, but a project that will have direct bearing in the life of our people. Government is about making people happy, providing the needed facility. And I feel strongly that we're not wasting our money if we revisit this project and put it into full use.
The indigenous people of Egbeda, to maybe say hi to them and also see what is going on here. More especially, this project is one of the projects that we intend to include in our 100 days in office. A few weeks ago, we went to Borokiri, that is Faga, About a week later, we went to Eneka. We also gone to Ichie. You can see that in our 100 days in office, we'll try to make sure that the project that will be commissioned will spread around the 23 local government. If we can capture the 23, there should be about 3 to 4 projects in each of the senatorial districts. That is our target. But in all, we must give our people what will make them happy. Priority projects, ensuring that both the ongoing and even initiating new ones that will be very important and vital to the economic growth of our state.